southwest corner and work your way up.
Hey, Captain Nash, 118.
Byron Yim, I'm the captain here on campus.
What's your status?
Evacuation's in process. Damage seems to be confined to one of the labs on the southeast corner of the 3rd floor. We don't know exactly what might have gone wrong at this point.
Where do you need us?
Split our manpower. PFD will clear the rest of the building while your team contains any fires at the origin and sweeps for casualties from the initial blast.
Copy that. All right, guys, suit up. We're heading inside.
Hey, isn't this where Karen works?
Yep.
You guys think Karen knows?
Yep.
Oh, Mama!
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but Mom didn't come out with us. I didn't want to leave, but Zainab said we had to go.
It's okay. It was the right thing to do. She was in the lab.
I think so.
I'm gonna go inside and find Mama, okay? You stay with Zainab. What do we know?
Not much. We're heading inside now to put out some fires and look for survivors.
Okay, I'll suit up.
No, you're not going inside.
What? My wife is in there. Of course I am.
You are not a firefighter anymore. You're too close to the situation. I love you. Now let us do our jobs.
Bring her back to me, Cap.
Guaranteed.